Hello guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Peterman Island. Meron ditong abandonadong science base, Argentinian science base. At dito sa shore, napakadaming Gen 2 penguin. Makikita nyo yan, oh. Ayan. May mga colony dyan ng Gen 2. Peterman Island, Antarctica. So free time ko na, pwede na akong maglibot-libot at syempre isasama ko kayo. Itutour ko kayo dito sa Peterman Island, Antarctica. Pero bago yon, pagmasdan nyo muna yung mga cute na penguins. O, diba? Dami nila dito. Ganda ng landscape dun, oh. So tara, samahan nyo ako, maglibot tayo. So ang klima ngayon is around -2 degrees dito Celsius dito sa Antarctica, sa Peterman Island. Minsan nagsisiro yan or +1 ganun, +1. Pag summer pag summer dito, summer kasi ngayong buwan, December, January until February I think. Ganda ng glacier dun, oh. Meron ako nakitang cool na iceberg dito. Puntahan natin. So ang gamit ko palang Sojak engine is yung Yamaha 60 horsepower. Bilis-bilis na rin to. So tingnan nyo tong iceberg na to. Tingnan nyo ilalim guys, so kulay blue. So ibig sabihin hanggang dyan yan, extension yan. Lapitan natin Then papatayin ko yung engine para tahimik. Ayan. So ayan. Sarap maligo diyan, no? Dito may nakita ko dito Yun, oh. Oh, di ba? Parang mini pool. Uy, may mga penguin sa ilalim. Kita nyo guys. So yan, color blue na yan. Hanggang dyan yung extension yan. Sumunod sa akin, oh. Sayang, makit yung isa. So ganito ang senaryo dito sa Peterman Island. Yan yung mga clouds oh. Then may nakita ako doon tabular iceberg. Yun oh. Puntahan natin. Sige, tara, puntahan natin. Itutour ko kayo. Wait lang guys, may tawag ah.
Yeah, photo boats for Skuas and Adelis are out. Copy, thank you.
Grabe, ang ganda dun guys oh. Glacier, tapos cloudy. Tara. Daming brush ice.
Mike, basic. I just want to know, since some of the Gentus and Chinstraps are ashore, are you going a switch out for photo Zodiac for Gentus and Chinstrap ashore, or would you like me to make a call for those folks here on board if there are some guests who left back? Yeah, I just want to make sure if the Chinstrap and Gentus who sign up for photo Zodiac will do the switch out on shore.
Yes, I've been informing them that they need to wait until the last million for them to join us.
Alright, copy, because I have one guest here and I'll just send him out right away for the switch out.
Ako, kailangan
for
ako sa shore. Hindi natin malapitan yun.
Yeah, you can send them at like 10 o'clock or something. Shuttle.
So yun lang po. Don't forget to follow. Subscribe pala. I mean, Facebook pala yan. Like and subscribe. Thank you.